Good morning, everybody. This is Laurel from the North Raleigh Seed Library. Do not adjust your camera. Your lighting is not bad. So I got up at 5, and at 5:30, I was wrapping the dead tree. I promised you I would do this, and I had to wait yesterday because, thank goodness, in this drought, we finally got rain. I'm so completely grateful. So anyway, on the spray paint can, it said, make sure to have a clean surface. You can't get any cleaner than a little bit of rain. So this morning we're going to go ahead and spray paint this dead bush, and we're going to bring it back to kind of life. Now the spray paint that I got, you can use on living and of course dead plants. I don't know if you can use it with any kind of spray paint, and you know we don't do product placement here. On this YouTube channel, it's all about all the North Raleigh Seed Library folks, our gardens, our interests, just whatever will help promote seed libraries and to just lift each other up. So never worry about paid content, never worried about ever taking in a dime, and never worry about product placement. So you'll have to Google the name of spray paint for plants. But I've got this can, and it says to have a clean surface. So it's a little bit wet, but it's officially clean. And it says you're supposed to give 15 minutes to dry between each application. So this is going to take a while. Right now, the humidity is rough. I've got to tell you, it is hot out here, and it's just dark early in North Carolina, and I've already got the North Carolina hair frizz. I mean, that just sort of goes along with it, and I don't care about getting ready this morning. I've got on my paint clothes, so let's do it. Ready, get set. This is gonna be so much fun. And oh, the best news is, if it's a fail, it's just a dead plant, didn't cost anything except for the paint. And because it's so early, if it's a fail, I can hide it before Mike wakes up. Yeah, that's me. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, we're back. I'm inside the truck. I don't want to wake up my neighbors, but I have to shake the paint can. So basically, I've got a situation. I've got the dog outside losing her mind because she wants to get in the truck, because in the morning we like to go for a ride and look for deer. And so she just looks out the window and barks at deer around the neighborhoods, and not my neighborhood. I don't want my neighbors mad at me. But anyway, she barks at deer, and we go to the park and walk. We do not walk around. We drive around. And actually, we had a sign one time that said on the back of our truck, it was pretty big. It said, "This is me walking my dog," because, right? I mean, if I'm going to exercise, I'm going to use that energy and those calories for gardening. There she goes. She's pretty mad right now. So anyway, I'm shaking up this paint can, trying not to annoy the husband or the neighbors. So bonus point for me. All right, here we go. Okay, we're back. Looking at how I covered up all the living stuff, I know it's fine for living, but let's just make sure this works first. It kind of looks like a Dexter crime scene, like the bear got it. So anyway, here we go, everybody. Fingers crossed. Oh, snap. I pulled off the top. You think it... Oh, this could be a non-episode. Oh, no. It's okay. We're back. Okay. Good luck to... Oh, man, the mosquitoes are biting. We better do this fast. Here we go. Oh, no. I forgot to wrap the middle. Ugh. Ugh. Oh, snap. Stay tuned. I've got wipes. Maybe this will work. I wonder if the manufacturers really intended for you to have a clean surface. Okay, I'm back. If you guys have been following the channel, or if you've been following our Facebook group, you know I have an idea a minute. Sometimes they work out, sometimes they do not. this is another idea. Okay, let's try and see if aluminum foil will do it. Let's try it again. Oh, I forgot to tell you, all the vine on there. If you saw the earlier video where I set up the dead tree, I wound up getting it from a nursery, and of course it was free. I wrapped it up with dead ivy, and thank you so much for letting me have that, Margaret's mother. So on the bottom under the tree is live ivy, so eventually it'll grow up over all this fake green. But let's continue. Well, apparently I missed a whole stick. It's back on this side, but the trick is let the roses grow as high as they can. Nobody will ever see it. So I'm gonna let this dry, then I gotta come back and do the other side. We'll see if will work, and then we'll come back and maybe douse it again. Um, right now, the jury is out. I'm undecided if I love this or not, but I think once I take the tinfoil off, it's gonna get better. Please let it get better. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, it's almost 7:30 in the morning, so I'm glad I allowed plenty of time for this. So here goes, ready? The big reveal. I'm alive. Okay, so in my honest opinion, it looks a little fake. From back here, it's better than it was, and I'm glad that we have the real ivy that's going to grow up. But I'm going to take you in close. You know how, like, whenever you buy artificial plants, after a while they get that weird blue color? Well, this kind of has a weird blue color. So back, no, I'm not even going to say that. Like where I'm standing right now, it has the fake blue color. Maybe in the video it looks more real, but it doesn't look real. But it's not real. So therein lies the problem. But if you come up really close, it's got this kind of fakey, matted looking, plasticky kind of look to it. But it's better than the alternative. And again, if you are planning on doing something to grow on top of it, it'll make a marvelous base. So anyway, it was a good try. I don't know that I will do it again, but that's just me. The one thing that I have heard, and I think is kind of cool, is that if you spray paint using any kind of spray paint, things like your flowers, your hydrangeas, whatever, for arrangements that are already dead, that it won't harm the plant. And so again, I've heard it from a source that I trust. So I'm going to give that a try. I was going to do it this winter, but I chickened out. So anyway, we've got a couple of months to think on that. And again, once the real ivy grows on this, I think it's going to be pretty good, and you'll never know. But if you're just planning on doing it for a standalone, buy the artificial. So anyway, I hope everybody has a great day, and I am really looking for more videos from everybody. Let me know all the crazy projects you do. If you've got crafts that go into the garden, if you have flowers that are doing awesome, if you have yards that need help and you want advice, or yards that you just want to show off, we're your place. We're your North Raleigh Seed Library channel, your YouTube channel. So make sure to share all these videos with your friends. Please have them subscribe, and let's just build up our channel so that we can get more content. It's the reason that I keep pushing really hard for people to subscribe is because more people have more ideas, and we can keep this fresh. All right, everybody, have a wonderful day and stay cool. On my way to throw all the garbage away, I came across this little guy who's not doing so well in my yard. So I got a little bit of paint left. Let's do it. In my honest opinion, that looks pretty good. Okay, see you next video.